Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Valorant on MacBook. Valorant, a popular tactical shooter, is primarily built for Windows. However, with a few clever strategies, you can enjoy the game on your Apple device. We will explore two main methods: running Windows virtually on your Mac or streaming the game through a cloud service. Each approach offers unique benefits and challenges, so let's dive into the details to help you choose the best option for your setup. One effective way to play Valorant is by installing a virtual machine. Software like Parallels Desktop allows you to run a full Windows operating system directly on your MacBook. This creates a separate environment where Valorant can be installed and played. You will need sufficient storage, typically at least 60 gigabytes, and ample RAM, ideally 16 gigabytes or more, for a smooth experience. This method gives you complete control over the Windows environment. Another excellent option is cloud gaming, which lets you stream Valorant from powerful remote servers. Services such as GeForce now provide access to a vast library of PC games, including Valorant, without needing to install Windows on your Mac. You simply connect to their servers and play. For the best experience, a very stable internet connection with at least 50 megabits per second download speed is highly recommended to minimize latency and ensure crisp visuals. When deciding, consider your MacBook's capabilities and internet speed. Virtualization provides a dedicated Windows environment but requires significant system resources, like at least 16 gigabytes of RAM. Cloud gaming is more accessible, especially for newer Apple Silicon Macs, but depends entirely on a strong, consistent internet connection, ideally 50 megabits per second or faster. Weigh the costs of subscriptions versus the performance you desire to find the perfect way to enjoy Valorant on your MacBook.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.